Whew! Okay. Okay. ito. While getting out of the house para gamitin sana si Ninja, something happened. Nadulas ako along the way and nabagsak po si Ninja, making this side mirror broken, no? Ay nako, magni-ninja pa naman sana ako. Ay nako. But sadly mukhang kailangan ko mag-NS dahil hindi ko siya magagamit na wala side mirror. Okay, so patayin muna natin to.
I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear.
Hey, what's up guys? Weekend Rider here. And today's another episode of my Moto Vlogs. Yeah. Woo! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Weekend Rider. Kakainis, no? Yung tipong paalis ka na para mag-ride, tas biglang nangyari sa iyong ganung pangyayari, no? Bad trip. Ay nako, di ko talaga nagamit si Ninja. Ay nako. Woo! Napakabigat naman talaga kasi ng Ninja, no? That's why nung bumabagsak na siya, hindi ko na siya napigilan. Ay nako. Buti nga hindi caught on camera yung pagkabagsak ko, kundi nakakahiya lalo yun, no? Habang nag-vlog ako, woo! Bumabagsak yung Ninja. Buti na lang it didn't happen. Yeah. Anyways guys, today I'm on my way to Ortigas kasi imimit ko doon si Polo Rides and Daily Revs Manila kasi pupunta kami ngayon ng Ride PH. Woo! O diba? Ride PH. We're gonna be having some fun. Charot, hindi naman fun, but we will cover the set event and we will check the ride kung ano yung mga pwede namin i-check on the site. Tsaka baka may makita ko dun na side mirror ng Ninja. So tignan natin, no? Okay, what is the side event ba? Well, Ride PH is an event hosted by Jay Taruk, if I'm not mistaken. Well, you gotta support the Filipino motorcycle scene, diba? Hanggang kaya mo support lang. Well, tignan natin later, no? Para mas ma-explain ng mabuti yung event, I'll ask around kung ano ba yung Ride PH, no? Sige, mamaya.
Sir Sak, pagaya lang ha. JC, pasok.
Boss, ano tong Ride PH?
Ride PH Cafe Racer. Isang event na kung saan yung mga cafe racer nagagather. Maraming cafe racer sa loob, mga brands. Meron din sila mga 30% discount, sales, and everything. May libre pa kape rin sa loob. Ride
Wow!
Okay, Ortigas flyover na and bababa na tayo sa Shell Julio Vargas, no? Ayun na siya. Polo rides! Sorry, I'm super late. Panis ka na sana? Tara. Sige, sanda kita, di ko alam eh. Lampas tayo? Sige, ikot tayo. Ikot tayo ulit. Ikot? Ikot tayo dito.
Pwede ba dito?
Wala, sakarado. No entry, UV taxi. Okay. There you go. Ayun! Ayun na. Diretso ba tayo agad? May ano ba to? May parking ticket? Diretso daw tayo. Ayun. Indian. Indian.
Weekend Rider!
Hello. Tao ni Jay Tarok din eh. Tao ka ni Jay Tarok, diba?
Hindi ako tao ng Jay Tarok. FTRP ako ngayon.
Tao ka ni Jay Tarok. Kapag kamala ka ni makina, tao ni Jay Turok. Yun lang. Saka naka-park?
Well, may tao yung yaman yun na natapunan na tulog-tulog.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, the Coffee Racer Sprint Track is now open. So if you want to test ride your Royal Enfield, please go to their booth to register. Or if you want to ride your own bike, feel free to approach Bel Aquila or any of the staff at the Coffee Racer Sprint area.
I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. No, don't leave me here alone.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How you doing this afternoon?
Yeah, doing great.
No, you gotta do better than that. Somebody make some noise. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to the launch of these beautiful bikes that we have here. We're talking about the Continental GT and the Interceptor 650s. I've never had twins before. This is my first time with twins. My name is Benny, and I am going to be your MC for this afternoon and part of the evening. What we're going to do is we're going to be launching some beautiful bikes here in a few minutes.